Have you ever wondered what a healthy, self-powered, and intelligent home looks like? Meet the Shaughnessy, a 3,700 square foot luxurious, factory-produced home. Combining solar energy, batteries, and ultra energy efficiency gets you a home that's net zero, which consumes 83% less energy than a typical house. As leaders in green building practices, each Dvele home is built to have a positive impact on the environment and your health, using advanced air and water filtration systems. Our designers have established partnerships to ensure the fixtures and finishes are timeless, modern, and last a lifetime. Every Dvele home includes tilt and turn Euro-style windows, lift and slide glass doors, quartz counters, hardwood floors, and energy-efficient appliances. Bedrooms have expansive sliding doors, letting the natural light flood in and making it easy to walk out to a private patio. Our bathrooms include growy faucets and derivative silver tubs, wall-hung toilets, plus built-in cabinetry throughout each space. Biophilic design principles are implemented in all of our living spaces and have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce stress, and increase cognitive performance, bringing the outdoors inside. You're looking at a home with an airtight building envelope, one with continuous exterior insulation, which boosts the home's energy efficiency and prevents condensation in the structural components of the home. Dvele homes are designed with an open floor concept and the homeowners in mind. Every square foot is utilized to make the most efficient living environment. Join us in creating a healthier, more sustainable, and intelligent future by continually advancing the home experience for your family and our planet.